Good morning everyone. Today we will learn about our new topic, that is moment distribution method. This method is also used to analyze continuous beams and frames, which we have already analyzed by slope deflection method. This method also considers bending deformation only. Before moving forward, we will consider few important things. The first one is stiffness. So what is stiffness? Consider a prismatic beam AB whose end A is hinged end and other end B is fixed support. So what is prismatic? Prismatic beam is the beam having uniform cross section. If I draw a beam like this is I, this is 2I. This beam AB is called as non-prismatic beam. So we will consider prismatic beam AB. If I applied moment M at joint A, what will happen? The beam will rotate like this with an angle theta. So stiffness, which we will denote it as K. So stiffness is defined as moment applied at a joint to cause unit rotation at that joint. So K is nothing but ratio of moment applied to the unit rotation, which we called it as stiffness. Now stiffness factor. So stiffness factor is defined as ratio of moment of inertia to the length of the beam. Stiffness factor are of two types, which depends upon the end conditions. Consider a beam AB whose end A is hinged end and end B is fixed support. And consider another beam AB whose end A is hinged end and end B is also hinged end. So if I applied moment M at this point, then the stiffness factor for this beam will be I upon L. In other words, we will say it as, if the far end is fixed end, then stiffness factor will be I upon L. The moment applied at a joint is called as near joint, and the other end is called as far end. Similarly, if far end is hinged, roller or simple support, then stiffness factor will be 3 upon 4 I/L. So if far end is fixed, stiffness factor will be I upon L. If far end is hinged or roller or simple support, then stiffness factor will be 3/4 I upon L. Now we will consider a distribution factor. For that, consider a rigid joint O in which 4 members are meeting. Member OA, member OB, member OC and member OD. If I applied moment at joint O, what will happen? All the four members will try to resist that moment. That is, all the members will rotate depend upon stiffness of each member. So it will rotate like this. So distribution factor is defined as the ratio of stiffness of individual member to the stiffness of all the members meeting at a joint. I repeat, distribution factor is defined as a ratio of stiffness of individual members to the addition of all the stiffness member meeting at a joint. To solve problems by moment distribution method, we will require 4 steps. Step number 1 is to calculate fixing moment. Step number 2 is to calculate distribution factor. Step number 3 is moment distribution table, and the last step is to draw bending moment diagram. So in next lecture we will find or we will solve our problem based on moment distribution method. Thank you.